Your brain is the most complex structure in the universe. Asleep or awake, it processes everything. It controls everything. It remembers things from your life. It deletes some stuff. It distorts some stuff. And it creates your own model of reality. Now, it's like you have a personal assistant in your head listening to all your thoughts and everything that you say, and it makes it happen. This is so scary when you think about that, because we know that research shows that 70% of our thoughts are negative. You wouldn't have any friends if you talk to them the same way you talk to yourself. So that's the thing. We have to be aware of that. Let's say you wake up in the morning, you look at yourself in the mirror and you go, I'm so tired. I'm so stressed out. I think I'm gaining weight. So then your personal assistant writes it down. Tired, stressed out, gaining weight. Perfect. I got this. I'm going to make that happen. Tired. What can I do? Oh, I know. I'm going to keep her awake all night. So she's not going to be able to sleep. So she's going to be tired in the morning. Check. Stressed out. What can I do for this? Oh, I know. I'm going to make her forget something at home. So she's going to have to turn around in traffic. That's going to be stressful. Check. Gaining weight. Oh, that's an easy one. I can certainly find a chocolate bar or something deep fried for her to eat today. Check. You have to be very careful what you tell your personal assistant, because your personal assistant will make it happen for you. So one thing that sometimes we think we're doing something right by doing affirmations and by saying, I don't want to be stressed anymore. I don't want to be tired anymore. I don't want to gain weight anymore. Then we say it with a good intention, just like when you tell your child, don't be sad, don't fall, don't be stupid, don't drop it. Problem is, your personal assistant just writes down the main words like tired, stress, drop it, stupid, because your personal assistant would not hear the negation. So let's say you close your eyes for a second. And now I'm asking you, as you have your eyes closed, do not visualize Mickey Mouse wearing a yellow tuxedo standing on top of a pink Mercedes-Benz. Do not visualize Mickey Mouse wearing a yellow tuxedo standing on top of a pink Mercedes-Benz. You can reopen your eyes. Did you see it? Of course you've seen it. Even if I said do not visualize, because your brain has to process the whole information before it can negate it. And by this time, it's too late. It's on the notepad and the personal assistant is on it. So tell your personal assistant what you want, not what you don't want. So make sure you phrase your language and your thoughts with positive words, because my clients do this all the time. They say, I don't want to be stressed anymore. I don't want to be impatient with my kids. I don't want to be broke. Personal assistant, stress, impatient, broke. So you have to be very, very careful with what you tell your personal assistant.